Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your WhatsApp application on your mobile. Then on the top right corner of your WhatsApp interface, you'll be able to see the three dotted icon. Tap on it and head on over to settings. Under settings, you'll be able to see the privacy option. Tap on it. Under privacy option, tap on last seen and online. Over here, if you want your WhatsApp online status to be hidden from everyone, go ahead and select nobody on who can see my last seen. After you've done that, on who can see when I'm online, simply tap on same as last seen. And this should hide your online status from everyone. However, if you want selective people to be able to see your online status, you can set it to my contacts except, and you can select the contacts that you'd like to exclude from seeing your online status. After that, your online status will be hidden, and this is how you can hide your online status on WhatsApp. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.